Gotta do what I gotta do. Said it's all brand new. I cannot stop. Gotta do what I gotta do.
Hey girlfriend, today's video is sponsored by Ash Shimmery Hair. They sent me out their 22-inch kinky curly V-part wig. So excited to get this on for you guys. This is what the unit is looking like. Inside, it comes with 7 clips, 4 at the very top, 1 in the middle, and then 2 on both sides. And this is what my braiding foundation is looking like for the wig. I got my 2 cornrows going back, which I call my anchor braids, and the rest of the cornrows are kind of just thrown in there. Right here, I'm just unsnapping all of my clips and about to get this wig just nicely positioned on my head and making sure that the clips are where they need to be before I actually snap everything in place. The 2 anchor braids that you see going backwards are going to be left untouched and unbothered for now. So I am basically just clipping the wig onto those really thick braids that I just threw in there. So basically the wig is going to be clipped around these 2 braids and should look something like this. Next, taking my crochet needle with the latch open, I'm sliding that through the very front of the braid and taking a piece of the hair from the wig, latching that on, and I'm just going to pull it back through the other side and it should just fall right over. So that's pretty much it. And at this point, I'm just going to repeat those steps until the braid is completely covered. It really is just as simple as that. There's no real strategic way that I'm doing this, or no strategic way of how I know to pick from the wig or anything. I'm literally just pulling pieces of hair, hooking it on my crochet needle, pulling it through, and laying it back over the braid. It's really just that cut and dry. And once it's all done, it should look a little something like this. I did go back in and fill in more because I felt like it was giving spacey. Afterwards, I'm using my hot comb to just kind of press down the very front because I didn't like how it was sticking up. It's pretty much done. I'm just going to touch it up to make it look a little more natural, but overall this should be a really quick and easy install. At this point, it is curl defining time. So I will leave all of the products and materials and stuff that I use. I will list them down in the description below. But this is what the shedding is giving. It definitely did shed, but nothing too crazy, nothing out of the ordinary, and nothing that was like consistent. This is just leave-in and water, and the curls are already popping. Like, it looks so nice and so natural already.
I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back.
Okay, these are the curls all dry, and it did take all day. One thing about it, these curls is given. Definitely can be fluffed out a little more, but these curls are so pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. And honestly, it really is given natural. This is what the top looks like once it's dry. And of course, if you still want to give it that little extra natural look, take your comb and kind of just, oh, that was fast, tease the front. This is the finished product. Like I said, very quick, very easy install. Hopefully this video helped. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. And I personally think it turned out really cute. It looks really, really natural, especially after, you know, the edges are done and everything's like laid and dried and you have like a clearer view of the curls. Yeah, I feel like it all comes together. But y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. Again, this is their 22-inch kinky curly V-part wig, and it is 180 density for those of you that are curious. And once again, all of the products, tools, and the actual direct link to this actual wig will be left down in the description below for those of you that are curious and want to check it out. Y'all let me know if y'all end up trying this method down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Can't feel the thing. Can't feel the thing. Can't feel it. I can't feel it. No, we can't.